How to record team meeting with Zoom. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Zoom application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Here, as you can see on the screen, I've already been a part of a meeting over here. Now as I tap on the meeting, you can see there are different options or the menus over here at the bottom of the screen. So tap on the more option and tap on the meeting settings. So as you do that, here you can see there's no option of recording the video over here. So what you can simply do is you can just let the meeting be and then scroll down the status bar, and then here you can see the option of screen recorder. So tap on screen recorder and record the video or the meeting that is going on right now. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.